guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I think I am 2 paintings away from getting rid of all of my piggies. So I've got 12-inch by 12-inch canvas board. This is a wood board, and this is how I tape it so that I've got just the lip of it showing so that the timber can show the next day. And the size tape I use brings it right to the edge, which is really kind of cool. Then I just make sure it's really secure there. Oh, I wanted to show you something. Now, it's dry, but it's not cured yet. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. This is gonna be nice to spin on, but right now I can't spin on it because it's still curing and it's going to take a little while, and it looks like I got to get a bug out of there. And yeah, once I have it resined, I will be using it to spin my paintings on. Yay! I'm going to do another one. I just got just ordered a spinner from Jessica Winter-Strom, and she is in California. She is going to be doing the collaboration with us for the transfer swipes, and I'm really excited about that. But in the meantime, I'm trying to get my studio in order. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 2. One is going to be a straight pour, and this one's going to be a flip cup. Now I've got, there's no point in wasting this. This was from yesterday. And this is my drips, and I'm just going to use that as my base. So this will be interesting because flip cups and Shelly art are not usually synonymous. So I want to spin this out, but I don't want to, just to get some more coverage. All right, there we go. It's coming off now. That's good. So where are we? Let me move you over a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, my goodness, that felt good. So I've got a little 5-ounce cup here. I'm hoping that's gonna be enough. What I'm gonna do is I am going to put in some cell activator in the bottom. Then, this will be interesting. I've stirred these all up. Should I put the dark? I've got Galaxy, but will that, what the hell? We'll just try it. Galaxy in the bottom. Then we're gonna go with Blue Eyes. I have no idea if this is going to work. My famous last words. Then we're putting some caramel drizzle in, because I like brown next to pink, or next to blue, and I do like pink next to brown. And I do like, I'm going to do this, no, wait a minute. I'm going to do the orange. This is mango. This is PEBEO. That is PEBEO violet. Oh, I didn't get around to doing this. Oh well. I wanted some of that in the bottom too. Can always put it in later. Yeah, that was PEBEO iridescent red blue. So here we go, flipping it. Ha, good flip. So I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute or 2, or 5. It looks like it's suction cupped. I think it is. This will be fun. I love, I mean, if you were gonna throw your paints out anyway, why not do something with them, right? So yeah, this should be good. And I think I should have enough paint because there's 5 ounces in here, and that looks like it's about ready, or it's about enough. So hope everybody had a nice Sunday. I'm usually, oh, there's a bug. I usually, God, he left his wing behind. Yeah, I usually pour the day before I post. So this will be Monday that you're seeing this. Oh, look what's happening there. Now, what do I do? Do I put, maybe I should, do I do a flip and drag? Or do I put a hole in the top of it and let it float? What do you think? Can you tell me? These colors are going to be spectacular. Well, I can see the galaxy falling down here, so it's still got a ways to go. That last one I put on was GLISTEN. So whatever's on the bottom will be on the top. If that makes any sense. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna let it set. I'm stalling. I am stalling. All right. Cool. Very cool. Kind of glad I did the galaxy because I have the gray paint. Ooh, mama like. So I'm just gonna put some of this on the corners because this will be coming off anyway. Oh, jeez, and it did. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna just let everything set for a minute. It's gonna take a few minutes, guys. So I'm gonna put you on, I'm gonna time lapse this. Okay, so I'm wondering if I should just spin it. Let's try and spin it first, and then we'll see what happens. Ah! Oh, time to tilt. Do I like it? I'm not sure. I've got a little bit of paint left here. Those are some awfully big cells there. They're going to become monstrous. I could do something with them or tip them off. They're kind of pretty. All right, we've got enough paint on now. That's pretty, just like that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's a lot of paint on there. All right, I'm gonna tip all this stuff off. There's a lot of shimmer in here, guys. Oh, geez Louise, thank God that didn't happen before. Whew. All right. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. So there's no gold in here, but there is a lot of shimmer. I don't know, I don't like that right there. Do I have any extra? It's coming. Now I got to make sure I've got enough paint off so it'll dry well. So I might have to spin it a couple more times or tilt it a couple more times. Here we go. That works too. I don't mind that so much. All right. I'm gonna give it a torch. Although my torch, I just ordered a new one. This one's pretty much dead. See? Ooh. You know, you're not supposed to torch house paint. Do as I say, not as I do. All right, so, whoa, Wilbur. I'm really liking that orange that's popping through. I can see something. Isn't it funny how you can only see it when, oh yeah, there's still a lot of paint on there too. Wow, oh, I see a bug, wings and all. I want to, that gray line, I want to stretch it so it gets a little crooked. I don't like it too symmetrical. I'm liking the colors though. Fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna come and bring it back so I can straighten these out a bit. Might spin it again. don't have that base paint anymore, so I'll probably be doing black for the ring pour, straight pour. Wow. I wonder if I should take you down right now. No, I'm going to take you down later after it's done its thing. I'm going to straighten out those wonked out cells. A little wonkiness isn't bad. The galaxy, oh my God, it's so cool. Maybe I should take you down. Yeah, what the heck. I'm not gonna modify it. It's some things, like the flip cups, you can modify them. I'm not saying you can't, but I think I wanna leave it au naturel. Let the painting do the work. I did enough work yesterday. Oh, the shimmer on this is to die for. Okay, I'm gonna go put it away. Where can I put it? I'll be back. Well, guys, this is my groovy piece. I did 3 tonight, and I still have 6 piggies left, but Christmas ornaments are on the way. So I just wanted to show you. I hope these all dry well. But yeah, there was some galaxy in there, and it mixed up with other stuff. And, yeah, bright colors. So I'm not crying on this one. The other 2 turned out pretty good. So I'm going to do a series. This is get rid of your pigments and don't throw them out. And yeah, look at that. Look at the gradation of color. Am I too close? I can't tell. You know what? I've got new contacts. I can't tell. So yeah. So you'll have to let me know what you think. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.